this is Nina Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time. Right now, PJ isn't here, but he's on his way, so we're going to go ahead and get warmed up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you click like and the bell notification so you don't miss a video. There's also going to be some great new recipes on there, and I'm starting the podcast. So as soon as the podcast gets released, I will make sure to have you linked to the podcast. Don't forget to visit us at memoirsofafatgirl.live and go ahead and pick up some merch. And also, don't forget to pick up your journal. You can go on Amazon. It's pretty healthy and terrific. So it's going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T in real time by Nina Perez. And that just helps you go ahead and put everything in there, your measurements, your intentions, what you're grateful for. It has you put in all of your food and what you've eaten. And you can go ahead and see what it is after 120 days. So you start with your measurements, you do all of your food journaling, and then you end with measurements again. I have lost 21.5 pounds or 20.5 pounds, and I went down from a size 20 to a size 16, so I feel phenomenal. So this boot camp stuff is really working. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will be right back. Hopefully Pjspj will be here by then. Talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Man, I feel it today. Holy cow, I thought Saturday was hard. Today was 58. That means by Saturday, because it's Monday, by Saturday it'll be 60 sessions. 60 sessions. I am down about 20 inches. I'm down 4 sizes, so from 20 to 16. I can't believe it. It feels amazing. It feels good. I didn't see it drop in the pounds as much, but I definitely seen it drop in clothing, and I seen it drop in inches.
What did you do this weekend? Did you go get some clothes?
I sure the hell did.
Yeah, you did. Hey, what's up? Listen, you have to celebrate those victories a lot of time. And here's the thing. My friend here will tell you, she told me, she's like, you don't know about fat people. And she's right. My mentality, my mindset, and I'm not saying that and those of you that are like, oh, he called us fat, who is he thinking? Listen,
I'll
check that.
fat.
Right.
That's what it is.
it is a mindset, and it is one of those things. And what happens is, we've been at this. This is our 6th. By Saturday, it'll be our 60th workout. And just like your body weight, just like body fat, it doesn't come on you all of a sudden. You wake up and be like, oh shoot, I fell asleep, and look, I woke up 30 pounds heavier and 4 sizes bigger. And the misnomer is this, that there's a magic pill, there's a magic bullet, there's a magic formula, there's a magic shake.
And I've tried them all.
There you go, right?
The shit didn't work.
I want to meet this
I even
magician.
tried manifesting. I even tried manifesting. I know I'm thin, Lord. I know I'm thin. My fat ass got up the
Name
next
it
day.
and claim it. Thin.
I didn't claim that shit for
Listen,
years.
it doesn't work
And I
like
still had
that.
to get my ass out here to do something about it.
And here's the thing, you have to put in the work. And it's not just the exercise. And I will keep saying this, 90% is what you put in your pie hole. 10% is the workout. Don't confuse the math, and stay steady. 20 inches, think about that. 20 inches off your body. The weight will come. It's dropping gradually. Where's it manifesting? And there's others in the group, the same thing. And you could see them from where they started to where they are now.
So cool.
And it's like, it's just getting there to that place that, okay, my body's responding. I'm eating right. I'm sleeping right. I'm stretching. I'm working out. I'm adding weights. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. And our workouts somebody asked, like, where were we at on a scale of 1 to 10? We're probably at a 5 right now, and it's taken us this time
And it's hard.
to get there.
Yeah.
We're going to keep going from there.
Yeah, I mean, because you're talking about people who are really not athletes, who are out here to try to become athletes, or at least try to be healthier, which is our goal, right? I mean, last Saturday, I couldn't believe it, but for the first time, I actually ran to the 50-yard line and back, like full run. What? I didn't even know I could do that. Like, I couldn't. What? Did you hear what I said?
I had her pee in a cup and drug test and everything.
I need something.
Performance enhancing.
No, it was awesome. You know what? Another thing is P.J. really pushed on me, which I appreciated, was having a healthy protein shake in the morning, because I wasn't eating breakfast, and so he really had to change that in me, and making sure that I have at least some sort of protein shake or something before I come to work out, because I didn't do that either, and I didn't do it today, and I felt it harder today.
You're a chef. You work in a kitchen around food all the
Wow.
time, right?
I had one meal today, and you don't know, yesterday I had bread in the morning, and that was it. I didn't eat the entire day. I forgot. But you know what? I paid the price today, because working out, I felt it. I felt more fatigued. Everything was a little harder to do. You feel the difference.
Aren't you gluten free? Aren't you supposed to?
Yeah, I'm gluten free.
You ate gluten free bread?
Yeah, gluten free.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, I don't eat bread.
Okay.
No, I don't eat any of that, because it messes
But
me
and
up.
see, for me, that's like foreign, because it's just like, well, what did you eat? What did you sustain your body on?
Literally 2 slices of bread in the morning. Literally.
She's been hanging out with Christine. Anyway,
It's awful.
listen,
I shouldn't have done that. But I'm confessing.
But
this
and
is not good.
and that's good. And
Yeah.
today, listen, I went to the apple orchard and got some apple cider donuts, 2 versions. One sprinkled with sugar and cinnamon, and one just plain. And say boom.
But you know what? He can do that, and one day I'll be able to do that too, if I even feel like doing that. Because honestly, I don't feel like touching crap anymore. It just doesn't appeal to me. I actually am gravitating more towards like the vegetables and the carrots and the salad and all that stuff. I just naturally am gravitating towards it.
And when you realize that you have put in 60 workouts and you are eating and you are consciously saying, I am going to do this and I'm going to stay committed to this. Those reservations, off the reservation, you're like, yeah, no, I'm not, I don't want, nope. You start looking at things, you're like, nope,
you really
not worth the calories.
You really do.
Right.
You really do. I know you probably don't have to do that because your mind is already there.
I do.
But you do?
Yeah.
As a fat girl, though, it's something that I can't believe I'm actually thinking about. Like, I'm actually going to grab something. You know what? It's not worth it because I'm about to work out tomorrow. Yeah, that's not worth it. It's just not.
Right.
You know, and now that I'm doing 3 days a week with doing the boot camps with you, and then 3 days a week where my son is training me on weights, it's been amazing. So I'm working out. Yeah, I'm working out 6 times a week. I still walk every morning, 5:30 in the morning, 3 miles a day. And I'm like, I cannot believe that I'm actually doing that. And not only have I just been doing that, the 60 sessions, I started walking back in February. So I'm like this is longer, PJ, than I've ever had. Like
That's
a longer stretch than I've ever had.
We just getting into it. And the good
Yeah.
thing about cold weather, your body's gonna have to work harder to burn those calories.
Yeah.
But when it does, like your body has to heat it up and you'll burn more. We're gonna keep going. They make cold weather gear.
Yeah, I'm looking
They
for it
make
already.
waterproof gear.
Yeah.
Listen, we're
I'm
gonna keep
looking
it
for
going.
it, yeah, because I'm definitely not wanting to stop this at all. So if you guys haven't come out here yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Get your asses out here. And if you're fat ass like me, get your fat ass out here.
Do these make
You know what?
my booty
Honestly,
look bigger?
honestly, you can ask any of the people that are here that they do feel stronger. They feel like they're getting better. They feel like they're getting more agile. There's people here who are losing weight, and you can see it. It's not something like I'm just saying it. You can see the difference, and it's pretty cool to see session 1 to now. And I'm like, wow, I've gotten so much better. I've gotten so much better. But we're only like touching the iceberg, right?
Just
So
tip.
come out and be with us, okay? Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays at the moment. Email me at hello@memoirsofafatgirl.live and I'll give you all the info of everything you have to do to join us. But I am Nina. This is Memoirs of a Fat Girl. This is PJ, your fitness concierge. She's the fitness guru of all things. All of his information will be linked below in case you want to contact him for anything. He is great at answering questions and also doing one-on-one sessions with you if you don't feel comfortable enough to come here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.
Fat out.